This is UP 2.0.
यूपी की पॉलिटिक्स बंगाल में आ गई है।
Yogi model being followed in West Bengal.
When Bengal police gunned down Baruipur rape and murder accused Prabhas Mondol, also known as Pravas, in self-defense, the template looked awfully familiar. It appeared to have been borrowed from Uttar Pradesh's encounter model, perfected under Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
अगर पुलिस गोली ना मारी तो क्या पुलिस गोली खाए?
Political mudslinging ensued just hours after the police killing of Pravas, the most important witness in the gruesome case.
Bloodthirsty day in Bengal. This is UP 2.0. Police is supposed to shoot at the accused's legs. You are not supposed to shoot in the chest. You are not supposed to shoot in the back. You are not supposed to shoot in the head. Why did the Bengal police shoot this man in a manner that he is dead? Any person, whether he is accused of rape, of murder, of any heinous crime, has the right to a fair trial.
महाराष्ट्र, यूपी, बिहार, आसाम, मध्य प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था दुरुस्त करने के लिए पुलिस ने कोई भी रास्ता अपनाया है। यहाँ भी पुलिस को छूट है, अपराधियों को कोई माफी नहीं है। जो जरूरत पड़ेगा कानून व्यवस्था स्थापित करने सब किया जाएगा। जनता ने हमको वोट देके और इसलिए शांति चाहता है, विकास चाहता है जनता यहाँ के, उसके लिए सरकार सब कुछ करेगा।
But is there any truth to the UP 2.0 claim? We will let the numbers do the talking. In the past 9 years, 17,043 encounter operations have been carried out in Uttar Pradesh according to government data. As many as 289 criminals have been killed, 11,834 accused have been injured, and 34,253 arrested in these crackdowns. 18 policemen have died in crossfire. The latest data made public by the National Crime Records Bureau report 2024 indicate crimes in the state are significantly lower than the national averages. In 2024, Uttar Pradesh recorded 3,218 cases of murder, 3,209 cases of rape, 4,418 cases of molestation, 2,610 cases of rioting, and 26 cases of kidnapping for ransom. The crime rate is calculated as cases per lakh population. Police killings and maiming have become uncomfortably frequent in Uttar Pradesh, with the same story repeating itself. The crimes may be different: murder, attempt to murder; rape, attempt to rape; robbery, theft, and cow slaughter. The story somehow is uncannily similar. The accused have either shot at raiding cops with their own weapons or snatched police's firearms and opened fire, while the police officials have retaliated purely in self-defense. The accused is either killed or shot just above or below the knee. In every case, the police's tone appears similar to Adityanath's frequent public assertions of zero tolerance policy on crime in the state.
बहुत बार लोग टिप्पणी करते हैं कि पुलिस ने गोली क्यों मार दी? अगर पुलिस गोली ना मारी तो क्या पुलिस गोली खाए? अगर उस अपराधी को गोली चलाने की स्वतंत्रता है तो पुलिस के पास भी हमने इसलिए पिस्तौल दी है कि वह भी उसके सामने उसका मुकाबला करे.
There is a name in law enforcement circles for such firing targets at the legs: Operation Langra, where the bullet is meant to cripple and not to kill. The police killings seem to have a caste and religion angle as well. Critics pointed out that between 2017 and 2025, 67 Muslims, 42 non-Yadav OBCs, 20 Brahmins, 18 Thakurs, 16 Yadavs, and 14 SCs have been killed in such action. Rajiv Krishna, the Uttar Pradesh Director General of Police, cited the latest NCRB report to claim that the crime rate in the state was lower than the national average. But Uttar Pradesh recorded 4.3 lakh cognizable crimes in 2024, which was the highest in the country. This number was 7.93 lakh in 2023.
और ये घटनाएं जो हो रही हैं वो सरकार की नाकामी की वजह से हो रही हैं। सरकार अपनी नाकामी छिपाने के लिए इनकाउंटर कर रही है। इनकाउंटर, नई परिभाषा में हाफ इनकाउंटर। अगर इनकाउंटर से ही लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बेहतर हो रहा होता तो अभी उत्तर प्रदेश कई आंकड़ों में और प्रदेशों से अच्छा होता।
ये देश संविधान से चलेगा, कायदे कानून से चलेगा, रूल ऑफ लॉ से चलेगा। योगी की ठोक डालूंगा वाली पॉलिसी से नहीं चलेगा। किसी को कायदा कानून अपने हाथ में लेने का अधिकार नहीं है।
Opposition has alleged there were standing instructions to the police stations not to record a complaint till there was no other way out, which did not reflect in the NCRB data.